this video, I'd like to show you how to do advanced queries with numbers or other data types. So let's continue off where we left off at the original query tutorial. If you've seen it, you would remember that we wanted all of the individuals who reside in the United States. And those are these three Jim Does. Now, in the text file that we're querying, there is another column called amount, which pertains to some amount, possibly how many items these individuals have purchased. And say we wanted to see these guys, but only those who purchased more than the 30 here. So only the bottom two Jim Does. So we say and amount greater than 30. So this sounds good, but it will give us an error. The reason for the error is that the right-hand side of this statement that I've highlighted here is a number, and the left-hand side is a string, meaning just text. So what we have to do is convert the left-hand side to a number. Now you might be thinking, well, why don't you just convert the right-hand side to a number, or to text, and then run the query? The reason for this is that if you run that, you get a string-to-string comparison, but it doesn't know how to make the right-hand text bigger or greater than the left-hand text. It doesn't know how to do that. So, for example, it would work in the equals operator because it does know that this left text is equal to the right text. That part makes sense. But if we were to just slightly change the right by adding a space, then we wouldn't get any results anymore. So I hope that's clear. What we have to do is convert the left-hand side into a number. To do that, we would use the convert function. So you can do convert.toInt32, and there are other alternatives such as toInt64 or longs or double data types. But in most situations, certainly numbers, common numbers, you don't have to worry about that. So open parentheses, then you put the column name and close it. So now what it's saying is, change that text, make it into a number, and see that it's greater than 30. In this situation, we should find ourselves only with the bottom two Jim Does. And yes, we do. Now if we put greater than or greater than equal to, we should get all three. So that is how you change data types. Now you can find more examples on our help section online, or you're welcome to reach out to us using the contact us feature here. But a lot of this stuff is directly applicable from .NET, specifically the C# programming language. So most of the functions that you find there and in the online Microsoft support are directly applicable to TextMaster. So if you come up with something cool, by all means, send us an example and maybe we'll feature it in one of our videos. Please note that there are other data types you can use, such as date, date time, and so on. The problem with the date times is that your text might have day, month, year, or month, day, year, and you have to account for that in this convert statement. So you can find, again, you can find more examples of that on our online literature. And if you want to see more of our videos, please visit us at www.exnp.com/tm. Thank you for watching.